So yeah, this is my friend in front of me on his Thunderbird 500. We just met and we are leaving from E Road. About the next stop, we are heading towards Madurai. Yeah, that is the plan for now. It's somewhere around 198 kilometers or something like that from E Road to Madurai. So it roughly says we should be reaching Madurai at maybe, yeah, it takes 3.5 hours, maybe 3ish. Reach Madurai at 3 p.m. and yeah, we will be having lunch, let's see, or maybe we will stop somewhere before Madurai and have the lunch. For now, we are just heading towards Madurai. Kilometers for Karur. நேராக போய் ரைட்டா? ரைட்டுங்களா? ஓகே. அண்ணா மதுரை ஹைவே இதுலையா? மேலே ஏறிடலாம். ஆ தேங்க்ஸ்ண்ணா. Highway. So I hope next up we will be stopping at Madurai, nowhere between that. Oh my god, the wind blast is insane, bro. The crosswinds and the wind blast, oh my god. We just stopped for a fuel break. He's just going to fill fuel. I'm going to watch him fill the fuel and rest a bit. So we are done with the fuel break, and the time is 1:34. 63 kilometers to go to reach Madurai. It's raining, guys. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I can pass through these clouds and skip the rain. And this is the second toll booth that I'm crossing. So the time is 1:46, and I guess only 35 kilometers left to reach Madurai. I hope I will be reaching Madurai at 2:30 p.m. if I'm not wrong. Holy what the I just thought people are doing some road works, but it seems a container just fell off the truck and it's laying around on the mid highway. What's happening? Oh my god. Just stopped 23 kilometers before Madurai for a prayer. Actually, a friend that I'm riding with, he just wants to pray, it seems. So we just stopped, and this is a mosque. I think it's a new mosque they are building around here. He just went to fresh up and do the prayer. I will rest for a bit, and actually the GoPro battery died, and I just have a battery. I don't have extra batteries for now, so we just charged it. Here we go. I'm back. The time is 5:15, and we are somewhere around 130 kilometers away from Kanyakumari. I hope we will be reaching Kanyakumari at 7:30. After the battery died, I had the lunch at a restaurant. Just completed the lunch at 3 p.m. and now the time is 5:15. So we have been riding for the past 2 hours 15 minutes. Nothing special happened in between. It's just a long stretch. Holy shit.
It's cold for a summer night. I text you, I'm sorry, I don't mean to bother, but figured I gotta try. And you say you're busy, but I don't believe you, it's keeping me up at night. The way my emotions keep turning around, can keep it inside, no. Here we go.
So I just filled up the fuel, guys, and the last 50 kilometers. I hope we will make it to the hotel before the light goes off. I mean the sunlight. So it seems it already rained and the rain has stopped. I can see the road is already wet, but it's not raining right now. Okay.
Cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, Cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you.
We already entered Kanyakumari. We are heading towards the hotel. Arrived the destination, I guess. Almost. So this is the hotel we are taking, but where the is the parking, man? Hotel parking iduva? Idu we made it.
I begin. Cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be